How to make skin beautiful using fenugreek in natural ways. For beautiful eyes, look for the good in others. For beautiful lips, speak only words of kindness. And for poise, walk with the knowledge that you are never alone. Audrey Hepburn. What are the major properties of fenugreek seeds? Fenugreek seeds have innumerable benefits. Although fenugreek seeds are slightly bitter in taste, their medicinal properties are enormous. Fenugreek contains vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin B6. These vitamins penetrate the skin and make the skin very shiny and smooth. Also, fenugreek seeds contain minerals like potassium and copper, which are great for the skin. How to make a face pack for sensitive skin using fenugreek seeds. Ingredients required: 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. Direction to use. Take 1 cup of fenugreek and soak it in water for the first day. Then next morning take that fenugreek and grind it well. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of oat powder to it and mix well to form a paste. Wash your face well before applying this. After applying it to the face and soaking it for 10 minutes, wash the face with clean water and wipe it off. What is the role of oatmeal in the fenugreek face pack? Fenugreek seeds are high in vitamin C. It also helps to brighten the skin. And when you add oats to this fenugreek, the skin changes a lot. These oats have high oxygenating properties. It also reduces the properties of skin allergies and skin irritations. These help to remove dead cells and soften the skin. How to make a face pack for rough skin using fenugreek seeds. What are the ingredients required? 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Direction to use. Take 1 cup of fenugreek and soak it overnight, then next morning take the fenugreek and grind it and take it separately. Add a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to make a fine paste. Then apply this to the face and after 10 minutes wash the face with clean water. Then gently wipe the face with a clean cotton cloth. What is the role of honey and yogurt in this face pack? Honey and curd are used to brighten dry skin. Honey has high water content and properties that help the skin retain moisture for a long time. Also, the added lactic acid in yogurt helps keep the skin glowing and soft. What is the role of aloe vera in this face pack? Aloe vera has high water-absorbing properties which help the skin to retain moisture for a longer period of time. It also prevents skin breakouts. It prevents skin allergies and irritations. It also helps to make the skin soft. How to make a fenugreek face pack toner. How does fenugreek oil transform the skin? Fenugreek oil plays an important role in improving the skin. Fenugreek oil is an excellent antioxidant. Also, the vitamin C and mineral content in it strengthens the skin. They also have anti-allergic and skin-irritating properties. By massaging the skin with fenugreek oil, the skin becomes radiant. How to make a face pack toner using fenugreek seeds. Ingredients required: 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Direction to use. Take 1 cup of fenugreek and soak it in water for the first night. Next morning take that water separately and add 2 teaspoons of olive oil to that water to make a toner. Then apply this toner to your face and massage your face well for 10 minutes. Then wash your face with clean water. Gently wipe the face with a clean cotton cloth. What is the benefit of fenugreek toner for the face? Fenugreek is extremely beneficial for the skin. These contain vitamin C and mineral substances and antioxidant properties that penetrate deep into the skin, cleanse the skin of unwanted dirt and oil and make the skin glow. Also, fenugreek oil toner plays a major role in removing blackheads mainly caused by acne on the skin. It is also widely used to hide the scars caused by acne on the skin and brighten the skin. You are beautiful because of the light you carry inside you. You are beautiful because you say you are, and you hold yourself that way. Mary Lambert. Thanks for watching this video.